What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'll be going to Slammedenuff Branson 2025 in I think May 31st or something. It'll be my first big event. Got asked to go by the All Mischief guys, so I'll be in their booth inside, which means I got a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna be taking this car, then my MB. First things first, the battery's shot, but I'll probably replace that later on. I don't know if it's just old and draining power or whatever, but I'm going to be putting some drilled and slotted rotors on this thing. So yeah, I'd like to get this thing all squared away. You know, I mean, I've been neglecting it, as you guys can tell in the videos. I haven't been posting many videos about it. I've been working on the NA. Still got the lights all on it. Yeah. I might put the hardtop on the NB. I'm not really sure yet. Let me know. Do you guys like this look with the top down? I'm definitely taking the hood off. I'm gonna rock no hood, bro. I'm tired of going everywhere and popping it, but I don't know if I should do top down or throw the hardtop on it. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna get these pulled out and then we're gonna go from there, boys. So also, by the way, merch plug, I added some new shirts to the website, www.onlymiatas.org. Yeah, I've been working a lot on that, figured out how to design and all that stuff myself, literally doing everything myself. So if you want to support me or the brand, or if you have a Miata, I'll drop it right here. Appreciate you, boys.
Be the best in the game, invest in my name, check my screens, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, fame, love, disease, I
This thing hasn't been started in weeks. Yeah, sounds good. Looks pretty good actually, but yeah. I'm gonna clean up this freaking mess from doing this. All that nonsense, so. Alright, I'm gonna center this thing in the garage. Alright, Butley's getting this thing jacked up. Here's what I'm working with. I think looks like R1 Concepts. So yeah, there's some drilled and slotted on this. You can see this are not drilled and slotted. So got those, and yeah. Came with the car, just never put them on. So figure gonna be going to these shows. Gonna do everything I can to make this thing look sick. So part of me wants to take this roll bar out and powder coat it, but I don't know if I'm going to.
Gosh, I guess the gym ain't working.
Don't hurt yourself.
Next time you use your muscles, big boy.
All work mortar. You don't need one. It's just chilling here. It's got a spot to rest. So went ahead and got that off. Here's the bag set up. And yeah, going to take this off.
Hit it with your hammer. She's coming. Jeez.
Pain in the ass.
Any anti-seize? Alright.
Got the old one off finally, as you saw. We're gonna got the new one on. Not too bad of a job once you get the old one off if it's not rusted on. So gonna do this and then see where we're at. I'm gonna order a bunch of decals. I'm gonna put my website onlymiatas.org on the bottom door here, on the windshield, on the wing, and yeah, we're gonna be representing out there at Slammedenuff Branson. If you guys see me, say what's up. I'm thinking about going to Slammedenuff Gat in Tennessee, but it's in October, so I'd love to go to that. I'm gonna try to go whether I bring a car or not, but pop down there and see what's up. That show looks crazy. So yeah, I gotta clean this thing up. There's some fuses that are out of it. I don't know if I should leave these stickers or not, but you think I should rock the hardtop or no, Red, when I'm at the show? Rock the hardtop? Well, old manager Butley says we should rock the hardtop, so guess we'll put the hardtop on it, and then I won't have to paint this roll bar or whatever. So we'll put the hardtop on it, and then I'm gonna have to polish this thing up, put my decals all over it, and then when I bought this car, this was already here. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I can probably get some of this out, but I think it might be the clear. And then yeah, when we get down there, I'm gonna take this freaking hood off, and I'm rocking no hood. It's gonna be sick. Microfiber.
Towels, some sort of paper towels. Busted up towels.
Score. All right. Well, that side's on. I'll pick you guys back up whenever we do. Whenever we're done. I'm sure you don't want to see me change drill and slide rotors, but if you do, just let me know. I'll send you the unedited clip.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been.
We'll torque them all at the end.
Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster.
Did you know I got an electronic torque wrench? I got it for Christmas. What?
That's not electronic.
Yeah, it is. He said, you don't think it's electronic. Watch this. Beep. Beep. Told you. Beep. Thought I was lying. That's crazy. So, anyways, we got all this on, rotors all the way around. Jacked up a full drive mode right now, but you can see, wow, that's crazy. Does look pretty cool. So, yeah, I'm gonna go around, torque all these up. That's stage one of Slammedenuff prep 2025 Branson. So he says to put the hardtop on, so I guess I'm not gonna mess with that roll bar. You're not really gonna see it anyways. I was gonna paint it blue to match my engine and everything else, but I think now I need to we're gonna have to put this hardtop on this sometime and then go around and clean the absolute crap out of this car. Touch up everything. I mean, get up in here, go around and check all these body kits. It's not terrible, but this one back here kind of looks like crap right here. I might end up taking this one off. Gotta give me a custom license plate. It'll say OnlyMiatas, all black metal or some shit. OnlyMiatas right here. And yeah, I'll have some merch down there, so if you see me and you want a shirt, hit me up. Gotta get some stickers, maybe a banner. Gotta detail the crap out of this thing. And yeah, boys, so see this? I don't know. Shit, this might actually come off. Yeah, that's scraping off, so maybe I'll hit this with something. See if I can clean that up. But not bad of a job. Glad they're done. We're taking it for a spin. We're gonna see if it's any faster with these drilled and soldered rotors. You think it's gonna be faster?
No. You're an idiot.
Well, the first test is down a freaking mountain, so hopefully the freaking brakes work, right? I mean, they're kind of working. I need to fix that mirror though.
This one?
Yeah, look at it, bro. They seem to be working. Dude, I haven't drove this car in months, man.
Is that better?
Yeah, you can come in a little bit more. Well, they're working for now, but I mean, I got full coverage, so. We can't shut the car off either, the battery's shot, but I brought the jump pack. It's actually still hooked up. The clutch is way different.
Yeah, 4-wheel range right there.
arrived to the thumbnail station, so
Some of them brakes.
yeah, they seem to be working good. But I'm gonna end it here. If you guys liked the video, hit the like, subscribe button, and catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. And sorry, boring ass videos right now, but it's wintertime. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So see you in the next one. Peace.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplifting.